What's good, Gromies? Welcome back. Know it's been a minute since y'all have gotten an update over here. Wepop Gardening in the VIVOSUN 4x4 Pro Kit. We got that AW 400 and that 6-inch inline fan back, or filter, inline filter, pulling everything out of here. We got the H09, made the adjustment for the humidifier. Got it up here, situating everything. VPD has been maintaining about 1.5. We are about 85% on the light here. So I got a little room to grow for flower stage here. I did move it up, as you can see, just because today we are back over here with the Colombian gold. And we're gonna set the scrog net up, fam. So for y'all that haven't been here and all you new subs, appreciate you, much love. Smash that like for me and share this out with your friends. If you got anybody interested in learning to grow and joining the channel here to hang out with us and watch along the way. Also want to make an announcement for y'all. North Atlantic Seed Company is gonna be having a promotional sale July 4th through July 10th. Any purchases over $50 are gonna come with the freebies pack of over $100 value. It's 10 seeds, y'all, for the freebies pack on top of your orders. They're also gonna be doing breeder-wide discounts on all their products, or most of their products, all the breeders that are getting involved. They're still getting that list together, so I don't have them all, but I wanted to tell you guys on July 10th, if you get in there, they're doing an additional 10% off, and you can stack my discount code, the affiliate code Wepop, with that, and save y'all an additional 10% on top of all the other stuff there. And it'll also apply to your account for point sales and all that. So this is like a huge thing that they're doing, fam. So make sure y'all get over there and get on that, because that gives you plenty of time to save up some money, get yourselves over there and save yourself a ton of cash on getting some new genetics and seeds, y'all. But anyway, let's get back to this. I just wanted to touch base on that, make sure y'all knew what was going on. For y'all that haven't been here and are new, this is that scrog net that I built. I got a video, I'll link it, and I will also put it up here in the corner on a card for all y'all that want to go check that out. I'm gonna get this set up today. We're gonna do 3x3 squares, and we are gonna get that set up and drop down on this so we can start spreading this Colombian gold out, y'all. She is doing phenomenal. I mean, man, beautiful plant. Training's gone great. I have not come in here and cleaned anything else up. We got the top nodes here, the additional tops that I did, cleaned up nicely, looking great. So I'm gonna start filling the net up and keeping this uniformed across the top. As y'all can see, that's exactly what we were after with this, and we're gonna get this rolling out so we can hopefully get her to flower phase sooner than later here. But I'm gonna go ahead and get set up, y'all. Stay tuned, and we'll be right back. All right, Grownies, so this is obviously a prototype. It's the first one I did. I set this up in the back. Y'all seen it hanging back there. I wanted to try to simplify this as much as possible, so that way I could store it in my tent and still have everything so readily available. So that way I could just come up in here and get this prepped and get the line ran on it, you know, and then slide it back in and get it in place. So we're gonna see how this is gonna go. Hopefully it goes swimmingly, but we'll see. You know, there's always ups and downs when you try new stuff. But anyway, I got a mason line that I'm gonna be running on there. This is mold resistant, non-load bearing. I think it's gonna be perfect for what we're trying to do. And we're gonna get all set up with this. Don't forget to smash that like for me, fam. I'm gonna drop links in the top pinned comment there for y'all for all the discount codes. It's all Wepop. We're gonna list everything from the Green Rush to VIVOSUN, North Atlantic Seed, all that. So if y'all need anything, just head on down there, check that out. I swear I won't mention it again on this video. Anyway, just didn't want you guys to miss that deal on the North Atlantic Seed. But I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna get this ran out. So I'm just gonna tie this up and start running it.
Forgot how to breathe, built up a cage just to hide underneath. Feared every loss like it might be the end, so I pushed away love, even family and friends. But I'm done with the chains, done with the dark, feeling the fire start flickering sparks. I ain't running no more from the man within, I'm scared as hell, but I'm learning how to live. I've been funerals back to back like waves, folded flags and handshakes by the graves. I held my tears like shame, wore a hollow face, trying to stay strong while I crumbled in place. Kept relationships distant, hearts on mute. I could write a love song, but couldn't play the flute. Women wanted closeness, I just needed space, cause closeness means risking, I ain't built for that chase. People said time heals, but they ain't seen my nights where the past rewinds under red lit lights. I tried talking to God, I tried therapy chairs, but nothing could reach where the trauma still tears. I'm not a bad man, just a broken one, hiding from the sun with the damage done. But somewhere in the dark, I found a spark. Now I'm learning how to feel with this fractured heart. I was numb for so long, forgot how to breathe, built up a cage just to hide underneath. Feared every loss like it might be the end, so I pushed away love, even family and friends. But I'm done with the chains, done with the dark, feeling the fire start flickering sparks. I ain't running no more from the man within, I'm scared as hell, but I'm learning how. And I'm stepping out the haze, eyes wide to the sky. Still got fears, but I ain't trying to lie. I met a queen with a soul like light. She ain't fixed me, just held me tight. Told her everything, all the guilt, all the shame. She didn't flinch, she just whispered my name. Baby, you're not broken, you're still here. And somehow that truth cut deeper than fear. So I put down the script that said I'd fade. Started planting seeds in the bed I made. Found peace in the soil, in the breath, in the care. Growing life from a pain, now I'm finally aware. This ain't a happy ending, it's a brand new start. Taking one slow step with a fragile heart. Still miss my brother, still here they last, but I honor their names when I choose my path. No more running from the mirror or the night, no more drowning pills just to dim the light. I don't need to be fearless, just need to be real, cause bravery lives in the choice to feel. I was numb for so long, forgot how to breathe, built up a cage just to hide underneath. Feared every loss like it might be the end, so I pushed away love, even family and friends. But I'm done with the chains, done with the dark, feeling the fire start flickering sparks. I ain't running no more from the man within, I'm scared as hell, but I'm learning how to live. Still scared sometimes, but I show up. Still healing, but I'm living. To the one still in the fog.
Alright, fam. Well, there it is. Not too bad, not too bad. Sorry I didn't get the whole net in there on the fix, but I wanted to do this 3-inch squares because I got tired of dealing with those elastic ones, and I feel like you can get more separation with the smaller ones. And I figured if I made this just wide enough, we could continue to leave it hanging in here, and that way it's not taking up more space in the room. Just slide these back. I went with single hangers on the top, obviously, so that way we can have a little bit of room for adjustments and whatnot. But like I said, prototype, y'all, prototype. Sure, I'll make some adjustments along the way here, but this is fully adjustable. So I got the pins up here in the front, so we can move this up and down to allow this to situate down, let the plant grow into it. So ultimately, it's gonna look like that. I've also got these hooks here, and I figured this way I could adjust the bars here that are also holding the tent out itself, and we could tie those down to it with the adjustable straps to like tighten it and have tension on it the whole way. So that's my plan. That's my plan, y'all. So I'm gonna get this set up here and get this thing into where I want it and start letting this thing fill out. I appreciate y'all on that last video. Whole bunch of support with the Grow Peaceful. Appreciate that. I know everybody's kind of curious where I'm going with that. I gotta be honest, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I feel like I got a whole lot of things in the works, y'all, so I'm not sure exactly where to go with everything. But once I know, y'all will be the first to know. So to speak, I guess. So anyway, let me shift this back just a little bit on both sides here. Get that in there. There we go. Have it hang right nice. What do y'all think? Drop me a comment, y'all. Let me know what you think of this. I've seen other people obviously do things with the scrog nets. Most of the time I see them hanging down, or not hanging, but sticking up out of tables and stuff. So I kind of like this idea. Thought I'd run with it, y'all. But anyway, we're gonna let this grow out. I'm gonna start filling this up. I'm not gonna bore y'all with locking these down, but I'll show it to you once y'all get in there. And also, haven't got to it yet, but I'm gonna be putting this in the tent soon and showing this out, so that way we can drop some time lapses of the actual growth and it filling in here, y'all. So I'm excited. Appreciate you guys. It's been a cool ride. I'm gonna be dropping some more music here soon, so hopefully y'all are enjoying that. Appreciate each and every one of you that have been pushing that for me and jamming to it on your playlist. That warms my heart, because I've put a lot of time and energy into that, and that's a big part of me that I can't usually talk about, which is awesome that I found this outlet with writing the music and stuff. So much love to y'all, and appreciate that. Anyway, tomorrow I'm gonna be coming in here and doing a watering on this with the feed, because it's time. And coming to y'all soon. We are gonna be doing the outdoor, so stay tuned on that, fam. Smash that like, sub up if you're new. Don't forget about the North Atlantic seed sale coming up. Y'all need anything from VIVOSUN, head over there and get you some. Code Wepop, y'all. Appreciate y'all. Hope you have a great weekend, fam. And we're back to business. Till next time. Peace.